there, Zippo. I got something called hitting around the Smoky Hill. Through Lawn 5. You get down there. No, they're ready to about 7 track. 7, Indiana's way. It's a rat's nest out there, fellas. I got a rat's nest out there, fellas. Zippo's trying. 655 on the name. 655, I gotta go wash my nasty ass. I'll see you. I'm getting on down. Hey, Zippo. Hey, Zippo, you gotta get me 189.63. Ain't no doubt about it. That makes you ain't no doubt. 315 going to the shower to wash that big old nasty ass. I'll see you. I'm gone. Came in there. Wait a second. Zippo in the Buckeye State, we're trying. Zippo in the Buckeye. Come on. Well, old Mother Nature's working it out, ain't no doubt about it. Old Mother Nature's really working that dog. Zippo in the Buckeye, we're trying. Getting down. That's for sure. I'm going to try one time this old 424. So 424 down here in the sand pile going to wave a hand. Yes, it's 424 down here in the sand pile, ain't got no condition. How about 655, the cocksucker? How about that 655? Well, I might got a little bit of condition, that's for sure. Top of y'all's evening, old 424 Chevy down here in the sand, wave that hand. Test. Yeah. Skipshire, 354 Western New York, bomb. Reach that 3 on my radio. Shut up. 665, we'll be right back. Time up there around Illinois. Getting down. Hey, 214. Hey, 214, you still smoking at Big Joe's radio. 214, Big Joe. 214, Big Joe in Virginia. L214, yo, Big Joe in Virginia. You say you still smoking. Let's go. Hey, 214, Big Joe, Big Joe, Big Joe. Then let's go. You tell me you 14.
Hello, 655. Hey, 655, Stone Cold Love Country waving.